Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to drift BMW M3 easy method. Begin in a large empty lot and check tires, brakes, and steering response before any attempt. Approach a gentle corner at moderate speed, clutch kick or handbrake briefly to initiate oversteer, and countersteer smoothly while modulating throttle to hold the slide. Keep eyes on exit, make small steering inputs, and practice gradually increasing speed as confidence and control grow. Set the car up with slightly lower rear tire pressure and a firmer suspension balance to encourage controlled slides. Practice clutch kicks and handbrake transitions at low speed to learn throttle control and timing. Focus on smooth countersteering and using eyes toward the exit of the corner, keeping inputs deliberate and progressive for safer, repeatable drifts. Work with a coach where possible to speed progression and ensure safe practice. Quick recommendation: if you like having a good book while waiting between runs, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading anywhere. It fits in glove boxes and ride days, with long battery life and crisp display that won't distract from driving prep. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more practical tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start each session with low-speed drills to build confidence and muscle memory before progressing. Use short, controlled bursts of throttle to modulate angle and smooth steering to maintain balance through the drift. Always inspect brakes and fluid levels between runs, and prioritize safety equipment like helmets and a roll bar if pushing limits. Talk to experienced drivers, use slow progression, and never attempt aggressive maneuvers alone or on public roads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.